Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Vivo Y04. And guys, this is a new budget phone from Vivo, and this phone is costing around 29,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in the back we have some more specs. We have ultra large battery. This phone has a 5500 mAh battery size with 18-watt fast charging. This phone has a 5-star drop resistance certification. We have IP64 water and dust resistance. We have a 10x high density. We have flashlight. So we have 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the gold color. In the box it is a little bit in rough shape. Anyways, let's remove the plastic with my knife. So nice to see we have this smartphone in this price range, because this one has a 90Hz 720p IPS LCD display. So let's open this box. So on the top we have our device Vivo Y04 in the gold color. So you can see here is the gold color looks like. This phone feels absolutely beautiful, although we have a matte finish on the back, but still I can see the fingerprints on the back. The back is made up of plastic. Again, we have IP64 water and resistance, which is a really good thing in this price range. We have dual cameras. We have a 13 megapixel main camera. Then we have depth sensor with LED flash. Anyways, now let's quickly boot this phone up. And the screen protector, it is already installed. We have fingerprint scanner on the side. So right there we have our silicone case as well as a quick start guide. So it is a soft silicone case. Nice to see that. Here's our 15-watt fast charger inside the box. So no 18-watt, we have 15-watt fast charger. Also we have our cable, USB. We have USB type C to USB A cable. No micro USB, which is a good thing. And here is our SIM injection tool inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Vivo Y04 in the gold color. So first on the bottom we have headphone jack, USB-C port, main microphone. We have our SIM tray on the left hand side with a flat frame. So we have rubber gasket inside the SIM tray. Anyways, we have dual nano SIM support with micro SD card you can use at the same time. IP64 water and dust resistance. We have our speaker. We have single speaker, of course. So on the right hand side, volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, in which we also have fingerprint scanner. So on the back we have dual cameras, and this gold color looks absolutely beautiful. I'm really impressed by this gold color. Looks really flashy. So on the front we have 6.7 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, and also this phone is powered by UniSoc SoC. I will mention the name right there. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo Y04. Here's the fingerprint scanner looks like, and the fingerprint scanner, it works fast. So we have 720p IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, which feels good, I would say, with a U-shaped notch on the top. So here all the apps we have inside this smartphone. Let's go to the settings and let's go about phone. And this one is running on Android 14. We have Fun Touch OS version 14. We have 64 GB of internal storage, and out of we have a 44 GB. It is available for you guys. So inside the battery sections, inside the battery health, we have 100% battery. We don't have any kind of super fast charging with the Vivo Y04. Also we have 90Hz refresh rate, so you can change that inside the screen refresh rate settings. Let's go 90Hz. And also look at the camera. So this phone has a single camera. So we have a 30 megapixel, which is okay, I would say. It is an average looking camera. Here is our portrait mode, night mode also available. We have a 1080p at 30 fps. In the mode section we also have slow motion, which I did not expect that. So in the front we have 5 megapixel selfie camera, and the front facing camera also it is okay, nothing extraordinary. Here is our night mode, and the front camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps. So the cameras, it is below average, I would say, on the Vivo Y04. Also the processor, we have UniSoc SoC, which is not the fastest SoC we have in this price range, but this phone will work absolutely fine in day-to-day tasks. Also we have 5500 mAh battery size with a 15-watt fast charging. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y04. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.